To change document size in Canva, come to files here. You will see the size of the document I am working with here in Canva. You want to understand whether you want to change the whole document. For this document, we have 28 pages in the document. If you want to change the whole document size, now you want to come to resize here, and you want to choose the size you want to change it into. You have all the suggestion. There's always a custom size if you have a custom size you want to start with, but you have all the suggestions to pick from. And if you choose social media, and we'll come over to this social media 4x5, and it will select that and ask us that we want to resize this design itself, which I advise not to do most times. Or if you want to have a copy of this design, which is most likely what I would advise you to go for, I'll click on copy and resize, and you see it starts to copy the whole design and resizes it into the new design you want to change the document into. If we open this up now, you can see we have this document in the new design we resized it into. So now if I wanted to change just a page of this design, just one page out of it, into a different size, what I'm going to do is to right click on this page, on the page I want to change, and you see it says resize page. It resizes only this page. You will now choose what size you want your page to be in, which is the same process we went through, and it resizes only the page.